In this video, we will go over how to automate charts in the browser, specifically TradingView charts with the Excel application Stock Trader Simulator. With just a few keystrokes, you can navigate the chart in TradingView and simultaneously update that information in Excel. You can take a buy, sell, short, cover, and scale out orders in TradingView with shortcuts and mirror that same actions in Excel to track your trading. This method is easier, provides more automation, and is a seamless process for backtesting a strategy against historical price action. The benefit of Stock Trader Simulator is you get to test your stock trading edge or strategy across a given time frame by using historical price action. These candles on your specific time frame will be completed candles, so you do not have to wait around for the market to finish price action and lose time. Trading historical price action compared to real time allows for rapid buildup of experience, as it allows for more exposure to different market environments. Let's jump into it. Let's first open up our Stock Trader Simulator program and open up TradingView. I am going to split up the screens with TradingView and Excel, as I have covered in the previous video, with a dragging motion up to the top of the screen. Now let's pick a random ticker symbol and date range for an analysis. In this case, I will pick Tesla by inputting the ticker symbol, TSLA. I will pick a random set of dates. My start date will be January 2nd, 2025, and my end date will be February 3rd, 2025. Now, in TradingView, let's go to the Tesla stock chart. And click on the calendar icon near the bottom of the screen. Let's put in our start date of January 2nd, 2025, and click Go To. Now, use the mouse cursor to hover over the stock chart candles and find the start date. Once you find it, hold down your mouse button and drag the chart to the right, such that the start date candle of January 2nd, 2025 is hidden. So what I mean is, the last visible candle on the right side of the chart is now December 31st, 2024. Now let's go into our downloaded folder of the Stock Trader Simulator program. You will see a subfolder titled Stock Trader Helper. Let's go in there and double-click the executable file. This program is a shortcut program which allows you to connect TradingView charts and Excel by acting as a bridge. One action performed in TradingView will translate over into Excel. The Stock Trader Helper program only works with Mozilla Firefox and Excel at this time. You will see the program load in the system tray, upon which you can pause, resume, and exit. Alternatively, you can pause by pressing Ctrl+P, which will stop the program from running. The program can be resumed by clicking Ctrl+R. The program can be terminated by pressing Ctrl+K. Now let's jump into how to use this program to bridge TradingView and Excel. Go into the TradingView browser window in Firefox. Move the mouse cursor over to the far right side so that it is hovering over the last candle in this chart. In this case, this will be December 31st, 2024. You will see that the date is visible at the very bottom, which will be helpful as you navigate the chart. Now, on your keyboard, press the right arrow key. What happens? On TradingView, we can advance to the next candle of our time frame, just as we would normally expect. What happens in Excel? We have just advanced to the same time frame candle as we did in TradingView, and we have coherence between the two programs. what if I want to buy a stock? Then press Ctrl plus B, and you will see in Excel that we have bought a position. As you use the right arrow key now, you will go to the next day and Excel will continuously update itself. Now let's say I take a buy order and I advance to the next day, but I realized I made a mistake. Then simply press the back arrow key. You will go back to the previous day, and your stock position that you took will be deleted in an undo-like fashion. Let's take a few buy orders here for each day, and now I would like to scale out. We can do that by pressing Ctrl plus O. Now let's sell everything by pressing Ctrl plus S. This will close our position and update our portfolio amount. What if I want to short a stock? Then press Ctrl plus X, and you will see in Excel that we have a short position. In a similar fashion, we can take numerous short positions, and we can scale out of them by pressing Ctrl plus O. If we want to cover everything, this can be done by pressing Ctrl plus C. For a reference of all the shortcuts discussed here, see the README file that came with this program. If we continue to the end of the analysis, we will go over to the analytics sheet, which we covered in the last tutorial. This concludes the end of the video.